Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be finally installing my Ducktail spoiler on the back of the Optima. Now, I ordered this thing like 2 months ago, and it was coming from Russia, and it finally got here. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we'll need to do to get this thing installed. Alright, so in the box, all we get is the spoiler. They do not include any mounting materials, but that's okay. We're going to stick it on with some 60-pound hold, heavy-duty, double-sided mounting tape from Gorilla. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and clean all the surfaces, the top of the trunk and on the inside of the spoiler with some water and a microfiber towel. And then we're going to hit it with just a little bit of some rubbing alcohol to make sure that the tape really holds firm to the car and the spoiler. Alrighty, so I went ahead and put the tape all along the inside edges of the spoiler so that we can make sure this thing does not fly off on us while we're traveling down the highway or something. So we're going to go ahead and kind of test fit it on there with the tape, see where it's going to sit, and then we'll peel this backside off of the tape and get it installed. To get the spoiler on there, go ahead and apply some pressure. We want to make sure that the tape is fully contacting the trunk, and just like that, our Ducktail is installed. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install or about the Ducktail itself, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link for this Ducktail down in the description below. Go ahead and check out another video on the channel while you're here. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.